6 ways your life will change when you start accepting what you can't control.
Are things not working out for you lately? Life becomes so hard when you feel like you've lost control. We feel angry and afraid, buffeted by forces seemingly ranged against us. While with some things we can work to create a difference, such as our job situation or relationship issue, sometimes there are things we simply can't control, like a health diagnosis or the cost of living. As we pursue happiness, it seems impossible when confronted with things out of our control. The key lies in what happens when we start accepting the things we can't control, rather than fighting against them. While acceptance doesn't change the situation, it changes us to better deal with the situation. We become stronger, more content, even in adversity. How does this work? Read on to discover several ways life changes for the better when you start accepting what you can't control. You feel better about yourself. When you realize you can't control something, letting it go is a powerful feeling. You don't have to beat your head against a wall any longer. Suddenly, you have more energy and clarity so that you focus on changing the things in your life that you can control. You realize you don't have to take the blame. When you drop the load of resistance, you begin to realize some things are not yours to carry. You can now step back and look at the situation from a critical standpoint, clear-headed and rational. You rediscover happiness. If you've been fighting against what you can't control for a while, you've been bogged down with the negative emotions that go with it. Once you accept the situation, you can let those go and embrace true peace and contentment. You'll appear more confident. The people around you will notice a positive shift in your attitude. They'll see you as more capable, as you show more self-confidence in all you do. You'll become more motivated to change. When you let things go, you learn lessons from the experience, inspiring you to make other positive changes in your life. When a new, out-of-control situation comes along, you'll be better able to handle it. You'll become a mentor. Having been there and done that means you have experience you can share with others in the same situation. In all of this, remember this one crucial point. Accepting what you can't control doesn't mean lying down in defeat. There is a victory to be found in not allowing the outside world to control you anymore. With acceptance, you're deciding what's worth your time and energy. Ultimately, you are in charge of yourself and your responses.